Russ here, and in the 5th of the 13 tips to using Word successfully, we're going to look at pasting into Word itself. Now, everybody knows how to cut, copy, and paste nowadays, but one of the big problems that I get with clients is they always say, well, how can we use the templates you build for us? How can we use them easily? How can my team do this? How can my team do that? And again, as with everything, it just comes down to styles in Word. Now, if I come back to this document here, and if I come across to my Word ignition document, let me just take the first paragraph there. And I'm going to, normally I'd use Control-C, but I'll use the shortcut keys. I'll copy that now. Okay, and when I come to my document here and I paste in, what's going to happen? Well, several things can actually happen. Now, if I right-click, Word will give me, because it's text, in this particular instance, it's given me 5 options. There's the default option, and then I can keep source formatting, I can merge the formatting, I can insert the text as a picture, or I can keep text only. Now, if you're using formatted documents, now if I paste my body, because this is a body text style, yeah, body, if I paste that into a heading here, what's going to happen? It's going to change it to body text. And the reason for that is, Word or Microsoft don't tell you about this, is when you come across to File Options and then Advanced, you can set your cut, copy, and paste options. Now, pasting within the same document, you can keep the source formatting, which is, depending on what you're doing, if you're copying from like a pre-styled document, you might not want this. You might want to keep text only. If you're pasting between, sorry, it's within the same document, my mistake. You're going to keep the same formatting within the same document. If you're pasting between documents, then you're likely to want to keep text only. And when you're pasting between documents, when style definitions conflict, keep text only. That's what I'd recommend that you select, okay, or you configure, because this will actually make your life a lot easier. So when I copy from here, say for example I copy this one here, which has got some fancy formatting. When I copy now and paste across, it's just going to keep the text only, not the style. Okay, and it's important that we keep the style definitions in this document. We don't mess them up by importing other styles from other documents, because Word doesn't like that. So if I paste this now into a heading 1, it will take on the characteristics of that heading 1 because my cursor's in a heading 1. If I paste it in heading 2, it'll paste it as heading 2. If I paste it as heading 3, guess what? If I paste it in a body text, then we've got it like that. If I paste it in a graphic style, it'll take on the characteristics of a graphic style. And that's as easy, well, that's as difficult as copying and pasting gets. Okay, if you want to do it via the paste options, you can select which one you want, and this will give you an overview, or it'll give you a sample of how the actual paste action will go. So those are the different options, okay? But like I say, you can set this on a global level to do that for you, and that'll save you a lot of time. I always, and I mean always, paste text only. Get rid of all the styles, all the formatting. You don't want to bring that into your document because that's how corruption can creep in. Okay? Thanks.